Alright guys, you won't believe this. I just built an AI image editor using Google's Gemini API, and it's insane how good it is. I'm talking real-time image editing. You just describe what you want, and boom, AI handles the rest. Let me show you how crazy this gets. So here's the app. Clean, dark, modern, just how I like it. I uploaded this picture right here. Pretty normal, right? Now watch this. I type in, make a pigeon sit on the man's head. Wait for a while, and there it is. The edit looks natural and accurate, and it's fast, like seriously fast. Now, I didn't spend weeks coding this. I gave Lovable AI like 5 to 6 structured prompts. Yeah, you should be pro at how to make AI listen to you. And the AI basically built it from scratch. The output quality? Ah, incredible. As you could see, the edits are not just pasted on, they blend into the image pretty well. I'm planning to make this public in a day or two, so you guys can try it out. Would love to see what you come up with. Drop a comment if you're interested. By the way, this is not my regular tutorial video. I just dropped this out of curiosity to show you something cool I built with AI. If you found this interesting, hit like and subscribe.